So today we're gonna flush out the brakes on this Kia Sorento 2011. We'll be using .3 brake fluid. You could use .4 as well, as it mentions so on the cap. Since this Kia is overdue, it's been more than 2 years and had a brake flush. It's time to do it today, and I'll show you how that's done. Stick around. So it's been a couple days since I flushed the brakes, and I do notice a significant change when braking. Like when I brake, I do notice that I tend to stop more earlier than I'm used to with the same amount of braking I'm used to applying. So that's a good sign, and I feel good about that.
definitely notice the change. And even when I'm going fast, okay, 60 clicks, stop. Yeah, that's some good braking right there. Yeah, definitely. There's a definitely major change. So anyone that's got brakes and brake fluid that needs to be replaced, it's been 2 years or so, then I definitely recommend flushing out your brakes. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that like button. It's Automotive for Beginners. See you in the next one. Peace.